Politics speaks in Bengal over the RG Kar horror. The TMC leadership has come out in defense of Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee and the Bengal government in the most blatant manner. State Minister Udayan Guha has openly threatened those abusing the Bengal CM on social media by warning that 5 fingers of those involved in the same would be broken. TMC MP Arun Chakrabarti also warned the protesting doctors. Fellow TMC MP Kalyan Banerjee went one step further to target the agitating doctors to claim that the ongoing protests in Bengal are politically motivated to create unrest.
তাদের বিরুদ্ধে কঠোর আপনাদের হতে হবে আমরা যতদিন বলিনি এবার বলতে বাধ্য হচ্ছি জনরোষ হবে যদি হাসপাতালে রোগী মারা যায় ডাক্তাররা যদি ডাক্তারি না করে অবরোধের নাম করে বাড়ি চলে যায় যদি ট্রেন নিয়ে ঘুরতে যায় তাহলে তো অটোমেটিক হবেই
বাংলাদেশে কয়েকজন একটু গান করে স্প্যানিশ গিটার বাজিয়ে দিয়ে বলা হঠাৎ করে আপনাদের মতো সুরসুরি লেগে গেল নাকি হ্যাঁ বাংলার গান করে আসে স্প্যানিশ গিটার বাজিয়ে পশ্চিমবাংলা থেকে মমতা ব্যানার্জিকে উৎখাত করে দেবো অত সহজ নয় সহজে হবে না যে আপনারা কোনো সঙ্গীত শিল্পী কোনো অভিনেত্রী সেই সব ক্লাবের ফাংশনে আপনারা যাবেন না তারা যাতে টাকা নেয় যারা টাকা নেয় তাদের প্রোগ্রামে যাবেন না বলে দিন না
আমার বক্তব্য এই ঘটনায়
Let me go across to my colleague Nikhil Lakhwani, who's reporting from the national capital, because remember the West Bengal governor is set to meet with Home Minister Amit Shah. Let me take that point to him. Nikhil, from a while from now, we're expecting him to be meeting the Union Home Minister. We've just given to understand that the governor has already met the Vice President over the matter.
So, Nivedna, we are currently reporting from outside the 6th Krishna Menon Marg, which is the official residence of the Union Home Minister Amit Shah. And in a short while from now, the governor for the West Bengal, he is expected to arrive here and to meet in person Home Minister Amit Shah. And this is the visuals in the very first place, which is being shown to you. The arrangements being made, which is the routine affair. But as per the given information, earlier today, he has also met the Vice President, Jagdeep Dhankar, and also he has met the short time with the President of India as well. And this is in the aftermath of what has taken place in the state of West Bengal, especially given the situation which has become as far as the protests are concerned from the side of the doctors. So this is the first meeting when Governor of West Bengal is going to meet Union Home Minister Amit Shah here in Delhi for the very first time. He is going to apprise him about the situation, about the status he's taken, and he will also be taking directions as to what other things which needs to be ensured. So this is something which is going to be seen today. So it becomes even more crucial given the aftermath of the situation, of the evolving situation, so to say, as far as the controversy surrounding to the Bengal state is concerned, and the CBI inquiry which has already been ordered in this particular case, where many of the accused have already been arrested. So we need to see as to what exactly transpired in the meeting, which is going to begin shortly between the West Bengal governor with that of the Union Home Minister Amit Shah. Back to you, Nivedna.
Right, Nikhil. Thank you very much for getting us those inputs. For the moment, we leave it at that. But let's also tell you, meanwhile, the Bengal government announced the formation of the special investigation team to probe the financial irregularities at Kolkata's RG Kar College and Hospital from January 2021. Let me take that point across to my colleague Shreya Mondal joining me live. Shreya, good morning. Clearly with the fact that we're looking at a lot that's unfolding in this particular case, but the latest that we're given to understand is with this SIT coming into effect now and them probing the financial irregularities against the institution, that is, what are we picking up so far?
Well, of course, we see that Bengal government forms a special investigation team. It is headed by IGP rank officer that is Pranav Kumar. Now remember, this is formed because the Bengal government says that in the wake of protest, many students have come out to say that there has been financial scams, there have been financial irregularities, they have been complaining. To probe into that matter, now a SIT has been formed. Now remember, they believe that Sandeep Ghosh, the former principal, he is the kingpin of all the financial scams, and of course his role in the entire financial scam will be probed by this team. Also remember, there is a FIR that has been registered against him for allegedly using the name of the victim for making it public by the Kolkata police. So of course we see there is a lot of heat on Sandeep Ghosh as far as the former principal is concerned. On one side we see that there is a SIT which is formed, which is going to look at the financial irregularities at Arjikar Medical College and Hospital, where Sandeep Ghosh is believed to be the kingpin. On the other hand, we see Kolkata police have lodged a FIR against him for taking the name of the victim, for making it public. On the other hand, remember, he has been continuously grilled by that of the CBI.